Ah, today the gods has blessed us with good weather. Take a look outside and you will see. Oh, the sun is shining, the sun is melting. This poem is called Raging River. A raging river crashing through the valley, leaving nothing untouched, nothing unmoved. Like a strong mind that exactly knows what it wants. Flow with the river, take the journey not traveled by, and you will meet with magic and extreme determination. And when the journey is over, you will reach the sea, and there you will finally meet tranquility. Thank you.